Ceramic is one of the best insulation materials in the world. Grills made with ceramic bodies can bake, roast, smoke, and of course grill food. Ceramic grills retain more heat than metal ones, resulting in a juicier, more flavorful meal. Ceramic grills use natural lump charcoal. Natural charcoal is made by carbonizing wood through a specialized heating process. Cooking with natural charcoal is just like cooking over a campfire. At this factory, they begin by making a slurry. The main ingredients are water, clay, feldspar, and other raw materials. When the slurry is fired at a high temperature, it hardens into ceramic material. Another team assembles the two-part plaster mold to cast the base of the grill. After cleaning off residue from the previous casting, they clamp the parts together. The mold has two funnels. One funnel pumps the slurry into the mold. The other allows air to exit as the slurry fills the gap between the two parts of the mold. They let the slurry set for several hours. The plaster mold absorbs 80% of the water, leaving a firm but damp casting. They remove the top part of the mold and trim off any excess material. They cut out a rectangular hole for the sliding draft door. The door allows cold air to enter the grill. Then, a worker uses a vacuum attached to a hoist to remove the heavy grill base from the mold. They repeat this casting process for the other ceramic parts of the grill, including the top, called the dome, and the firebox, which sits inside the base and holds the charcoal. After each casting, they scrape and sand away the excess material. They roll the cast parts into a dryer to remove the remaining moisture. For the next 30 hours, blowers circulate air that's heated to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. After the parts cool, the base and dome undergo a final touch-up to perfect their exterior surfaces. Next, the parts are taken to an automated glazing station. A conveyor spins the parts under a shower of ceramic glaze. A worker checks the coverage and sprays a touch-up where required. The glaze dries in about 20 seconds. Workers vacuum up the excess, then temporarily assemble the grill for firing. They place the firebox inside the base. The base plate at the bottom of the firebox, and the dome on top of the base. They fired the grills in a huge kiln for 24 hours. They gradually increase the temperature to more than 2,300 degrees Fahrenheit. Hold it there for a set time, then gradually cool it down. This firing process triggers a chemical reaction that transforms the clay-based slurry into hard, heat-resistant ceramic. It also turns the glaze on the surface into black glass. After firing, they attach the stainless steel draft door to the base. They spread adhesive on the top edge of the base and apply a gasket made of heat-resistant material. This creates an air seal between the base and the dome. Then they attach the two parts with a hinge. They insert the firebox and stamp it. Then they glue a gasket around the neck of the dome and install the top vent. They place the cast iron grate that holds the charcoal and the porcelain-coated cooking grates inside the grill. The cast iron grate holds the charcoal. The porcelain-coated grate is for cooking. Finally, they install the thermometer. After lighting the charcoal, grillers can adjust the airflow with the draft door and top vent. The draft door and top vent must be fully closed to shut off the grill. This cuts off the air supply and extinguishes the fire.